Hello, my YouTube family. What's happening out there, you guys? You're here with Skipper Drones, and today I'm bringing you a mail call. As you remember, I did a review on this video. On this frame here. I did a review on it a few days back. Now, this is the Naditsi AX 215 millimeter. This is a frame I'm finna build. Naditsi has some pretty good frames. This is, I like this frame here. It has the 6mm arms on it. Yes, these arms here are 6mm, you guys. 6mm, pretty beefy. And it still is a light frame. That's a good thing about that. So, without further ado, alright, the first thing we got in the mail, we got some standoffs here. I had red on here, but I like the way these here are designed. I like the design on these. I think it's going to be better with the theme I have for this frame here. So we got the red standoffs. We also have here some 5045s dial props. We got the 5045s, we got the blue, the red, and the green. So yes, these are also, I got another surprise for you guys. This is on another build I ordered these for, but I'm also going to try, I believe, the 5045s on this one too. Alright, what else we have here? We have standoff packages. I say, since I'm going to be building quads, this would be a good thing to have here. So I'll order a standoff kit. I got one coming. I think I paid about $7 for this on Amazon. I have another one coming with the metal screws, because all these are plastic, and the vibration, the soft mounts. I got some of those coming also. So yeah, that wasn't bad at all. Alright. We have here is the Woof Whoop VTX. It has smart audio. I've been ordering these for a while now. They have them at Amazon for $17. And it's not bad at all. Got the mic and everything. This is not bad at all. I've been using these for my builds and I haven't had any trouble. They are pretty good. It's a 5.8 gigahertz 40 channel FPV transmitter. Support OSD configurator and beta flight. It's just to tell you how the channels mapping, the band, and the power level go up to 800 milliwatts. So that's not bad. The frequency table, it's not bad at all. So yes, this is the Woof Whoop VTX. I have been using these for a while now, like I said, and they work pretty good for me. I haven't had any trouble out of them at all. And it also has it comes with the cable here, and it has the MMCX cable. So that's nice also. Yes, this is gonna be the build here. The next build, which I shall probably be doing in a couple days. I'm waiting on the ESC, the 4-in-1 ESCs. I already have the flight controller. I have a Dow RC F405, but I think I'm going to use that in the rebuild because the Dissident came out with some thin ESCs to fit on the arms. So I think I'm going to run this 405 AIO flight controller with this one because it's so tight in there. All I have to have is really my receiver, this flight controller, and a transmitter. I mean a VTX receiver and this flight controller. So that'll cut out my ESCs to be on the arm, so that'll cut down the stack size. And this is coming soon, you guys. I already got that ordered. I'm waiting on my 4-in-1 ESCs. I got 2 sets coming. But this is what I'm about to put in here. This is the CL Racing F4S V1S. This is a pretty nice board right here. Pretty nice board. They give you the soft mounts in here. Cable to plug into the ESC. Well, this is a pretty nice board. Wow. Open. This is the board here. It's a pretty nice board, and it also has a card reader on it at the bottom. So that's nice. So you have black box with this board. Very nice. But yeah, that's what I'm putting here. So I'm waiting on the ESCs to come. The ESC should be here tomorrow. So tomorrow when I get off work, I probably will start the build. Like I said, I apologize. I won't be able to. I'll show you much as I can, step by step, because my camera don't zoom in like it's supposed to. So this don't zoom in. I'm waiting to get a better camera. Once I get a better camera, I can do the whole build for you guys. But if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will be leaving my email address in the description below, and the prices on all this stuff I got in the description below. Yeah, I got the soldering station, you guys already know. So I will be trying to, once I get a better camera, I will try to do everything step by step. Okay. I also got today, I got a XM Plus receiver. This is a nice receiver for the Taranis. I got that in today. And I got these XN iFlight motors in today, which are gonna be nice. These are 2206 2750 kV, and these are gonna be some pretty nice motors here. Pretty nice motors. Yeah, I like the color on them. It's gonna be pretty nice. This is gonna be a pretty nice build, you guys. So all I'm waiting on now are the ESCs, and I think they should be in tomorrow. So when I get off work tomorrow, I will probably begin the build. So okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and leave me a comment if you can. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me anytime. And I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out to the next video.